Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're vlogging. Of course, you guys probably read the title of this video, but we're going to be doing a day in my life. Today is going to be a very productive day. I need to film a bunch of videos. I need to go to Sephora to use my gift card. I got a gift card for Christmas and I never used it, so I want to go and use it before it expires. I don't know if it expires, but yeah, I'm super excited. I hope the camera isn't too shaky, but it's currently 9:40 and I already started filming one of my videos. I'm doing a hygiene sort of pairing, layering kind of video, and I've seen a couple of people do it and I love it, and people always ask me to do it as well. So that's what I already did. I also need to film the intro and the outro for that. It's kind of going to be like a day in my life of YouTube work. YouTube is my part-time job, I would say, part-time, but I do work a regular 9-to-5 job. If you guys are new here, I graduated in 2021 of June, and I graduated from UC Riverside, so I am working a big girl job. I have a 9-to-5. It's a lot, but I also do YouTube, which is also just super fun. It's kind of like my hobby, but I also thankfully and really I'm grateful to be making money off of it as well, so I consider that like my side hustle. So I always like to pre-film videos and just get my content ready, so you guys are going to be seeing that today. And I also want to get my room in order because it is a disaster zone from filming my hygiene pairings. Everything is on the floor, so yeah, I think I'm going to get dressed soon and then I need to go grocery shopping. And then we'll see where the day takes us. But yeah, I really like this lighting. I put you guys up on my bed and it looks amazing. But I will talk to you guys probably maybe when I'm at Sephora or going to Sephora. I need to film my intro to my other video. So yeah. Woo! Y'all, it is hot today. Like so hot. I'm glowing because the oil's on my face. But I went to Sephora inside the JCPenney, which kind of sucks because I don't have all of the products or like the brands. But basically my mom got me a gift card to Sephora inside of JCPenney because that's the closest one to us back home, and so she didn't realize, and I didn't even know, that like you can't use them at regular Sephora's. You can only use them at Sephora's inside of JCPenney. So I drove kind of out of the way and I got some stuff. It was literally exactly $100 and like 4 cents, so I just had to pay 4 cents. So I got the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream Intense Hydration. Wow, this lighting is trash. There we go. My sister actually let me try this when I saw her for Christmas and I really liked it. I usually don't love First Aid Beauty products. I've tried like their other moisturizer before and I didn't like it, but this one was really good, so I'm gonna get this and I'm really happy. I also got the Inky List Oat Cleansing Balm. I've heard amazing reviews about this and I don't like to use like makeup wipes anymore unless like I'm on the go. Like if I'm from work to my workout class, I just use a makeup wipe, but when I'm home I like to use a cleansing balm, so I got this. Right now I'm using the, what is it called, the Sephora brand one, which is good, but I wanted to try this out. And then I got this. Oh, why is the packaging all messed up? Wow, I wanted to make a TikTok. I still might. This is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Dewy Liquid Blush in Joy. Wow, that looks janked up. But I got this. I have another Rare Beauty blush, but it's like the matte one, so I really wanted to get their dewy one because I love liquid blush. I'm wearing liquid blush today, or cream blush, I guess. So I got this one. It's a really pretty like corally color. I wear too much blush, if you guys can tell, but I love blush because gorgeous girls always over blush, right? And then lastly, I got this Fenty Beauty Heat Gloss Balm in the shade Fussy. Let's see if I can open this without ruining the packaging. Ooh, you guys, look at how cute this is. I love it. Let's try it on. Let's see. I think this one's supposed to be like plumping, which I'm kind of nervous about because I don't love plumping lip. Ooh, it's a little stingy, but I think the color is really pretty. And I got my birthday gift, even though my birthday is not until the end of March. They offered to give it to me now. And I was so excited because I really wanted this. This is the Milk Makeup. It has like the blush, the mascara, and the Hydro Grip Primer. Super, super cute. I'm mostly excited for the blush. It looks so beautiful. Wow. Love that. Okay. So that is everything that I got. That's my little Sephora haul. And it took a lot, like, less time than I thought. So now I think I'm gonna go grocery shopping. Wow, my skin is so greasy already. It's bothering me. But I think I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's because I have no groceries and I'm starving and I really want their chicken tikka masala. So that's what I'm gonna go get. I also might get a Starbucks. This lip gloss is low-key really burning my lips, but I think it's nice. But yeah, I feel so scatterbrained today. Don't know why. It's also 80 degrees out today, which is ridiculous. Why is it 80 degrees in winter? I don't know. It's literally gonna be 6 degrees next week, so that just shows you how crazy California weather is. So I'm gonna put my seatbelt on and go to Trader Joe's. Also, I feel like the blonde in my hair is really coming through since I've washed it more, I think because like the toner faded. But I am going to go a little blonder this weekend, which I'm really excited about. I definitely want like thicker money pieces and just more blonde all around because I want to be a little lighter for the warmer weather. So yeah, I'm also vlogging on my phone. So I'm gonna go now. Sorry for rambling. I'm gonna go now. I feel like this is giving very much like unhinged vibes, but I'm gonna go and I'll talk to you guys when I'm home probably. I'm back home. As you guys can see, I got my matcha. I'm very happy. It's a little bit melted because it's been a little minute since I drank it, but I'm home now. I was gonna film some videos, but I'm honestly kind of tired after that morning video. One thing, I need to get comfortable. One thing about filming videos and being like a YouTuber is like you don't realize how tiring it is to talk to a camera for like an hour. So whenever I film, like my last video took me a little while to film because I kept messing up. That's just how it goes. But I'm just chilling now. I think what I'm going to do is show you guys my new hygiene organization because I did recently reorganize certain parts. So I'm going to show you guys that now. So this is what like my hygiene organization little closet looks like. This came with my room, so I just opened it up and I got these little baskets from Walmart. I think they were like $10 for a pack of 4, and they actually fit my little drawer perfectly. All 4 of them fit perfectly on each shelf. So top one is a little tall. I have some excess fragrance mist. I have some backups and just other ones that I haven't really been using as much, and then some backup lotions and excess perfumes that just don't fit on my little Lazy Susan. And then here I have my candles. I have candles there and also some more candles right here. And then this part I should probably reorganize. It's a little messy, but I just fit whatever I could. It's random stuff. And this bottom section makes me really happy. So more candles. I know I have a candle obsession, but I have all my OGX body care products. Some other parts or some other products are in my cart. My Caress body washes and random ones. Here I have some extra scrubs, lotions, and in the back here some extra body washes. And here I just have my hand soaps. I have the ones I hauled, and yeah, this one could definitely be a little bit more organized, but yeah. I wanted to pick out my hygiene products with you guys because I feel like that's fun. Today's been kind of a boring day, but I recently got this Method Berry Balance Wash. I haven't used it yet, but I don't know if I want to go with this one, I could use this body wash with, I have this scrub right here, with the Sugar Plum Berries. That would be a good pairing, right? I don't really have like a berry scented fragrance mist because I don't like berry fragrance mist, but I could do this, but I don't know if I want to do like a deep exfoliation like that. I'm also kind of addicted to this new body wash that I picked up from Target, I think. This is the St. Ives Sea Salt and Pacific Kelp one. It smells so divine. It smells fabulous. I think I want to use this, to be honest. It's so good. And I kind of want to use this scrub. I haven't used it yet. This is the Sunrise Woods Creamy Body Scrub. It has sweet berries, cozy cashmere. Let's smell it. I think it would go fine, right? I think these two will go together. And then I'll probably use my Jergens Cloud Cream because this has like a really fresh, clean, light kind of smell. It can kind of go with anything, honestly. And I love like the consistency of this. So I think I'm gonna put these two together. And for a mist, I might do, let's see, let me find it. There's sirens going off, but I think I might use they're still going off. Let's just ignore the sirens, but I think I want to use white t-shirt with this hygiene pairing. I think that would be cute and smell good. I'll probably use this tomorrow morning because I don't know, I just don't feel like using it today. I really love that St. Ives one. So we're gonna use that little squad. I should be using my Project Use It Up items, but I don't want to use them today. I really don't. So that is my little squad. I'm gonna go work out soon, so I'll show you guys my workout outfit. I feel like I've shown it before, but I'll show you guys my workout outfit, and then maybe I'll try to get a couple clips while I'm spinning or like while I'm at spin, because I feel like that would be really, really fun. Just took a shower, got home. I'm super tired. That was a killer workout. I also ate some chips, so don't mind my hot Cheeto fingers. I am drinking this new drink I got. This is the Trader Joe's Limeade. There's like fuzz on it. It's the Limeade and it's fresh squeezed juice beverage. It's honestly really, really good. Kind of really sour, so if you don't like sour drinks, obviously it's lime. I'm obsessed with like a good beverage, so love that. I also lit my candles. Don't mind my laundry. I need to put that away, but yeah, I'm really happy that you guys came along with me on my day today. I know it was pretty short. I feel like I need to like make my vlogs a little more interesting. I feel like they're kind of boring. So let me know if there's like any ideas you guys have for me to do, but I gotta get ready, go to bed, and go to work tomorrow. So yeah, I love you guys all so, so much. Thank you guys again for watching today's video. If you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and follow me on TikTok, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!